What's up guys? Today we're gonna start on the IS300 build. I'm done for this one right now. I have no parts for it and probably none for a while. But we got some new headlights for Karina's car. If you if you guys don't know, this is her new car. She had an S2000 before, but we traded in and got an IS300, legendary drifter car. And we're gonna be swapping out these ugly, foggy USDM headlights for the JDM spec ones. The car only has one owner and like 160 miles. It's in really good condition and everything works, but the only problem is the headlights are looking a little nasty.
The headlights, once we change those, I feel like it's gonna change the whole look of the car. And then also I'm probably gonna work on this bumper sometime, just cause that's like these two are like the main, I don't know. What would you say? Like
the face of the car.
Yeah.
And we've already been looking. There's a nice Vertex front bumper that looks really cool that I showed Karina and I think she likes. These are the new headlights right here. These are the JDM spec ones. They don't have the chrome inside. It's more of a black housing. And then on the side, it's just clear. So everything's clear. And I think it's gonna fit with the black way more than the foggy chrome ones. So Karina's gonna do the first honor of taking the first bolt out, which is gonna be these ones right here. So all you have to do is press down that button. So put it on the little bolt and then press down.
I know. You showed me. That's it?
Yeah.
Wait, for how long?
Hold it. You have to hold it down.
Is there any way I'm supposed to like...
Nope, just keep on going. Yep, there you go. You got one. Oh my gosh, Karina. You keep on moving around. Every time I move over here,
sorry.
You move over here. And then every time I move over here, you move over there. So I have to keep on moving back and forth.
This one's pretty tight.
Karina broke her first thing today.
No!
It's gonna happen. It always happens. Now that we got those out, I got Karina working on the ones in the fender lining. She's got to get those out, and then I think there's just a couple bolts at the bottom of the car, and then
this one's tight in here.
You got to get it out. Put your back into it. Now if we can get to it, there's a couple under the car. I'm gonna try to do this without jacking it up. This car's not lowered at all, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal, but maybe we'll have to, I don't know. There you go.
Okay, one side.
Got you. This is probably the first time this bumper has ever came off, but so it's probably gonna be a little hard.
Ooh. Ooh. Wow.
How does it look? You wanna run this? No bumper? Looks mean, right?
Mean? I don't know. Dang, babe.
Huh?
Why are you double cheeked up? On a Thursday afternoon.
Okay guys, so we are gonna jack up the car because there's two bolts right under that fender and it's so hard to get to. I had like a fishtail on it and everything, and it was just a lot of work, so I just said, you know, I'm gonna jack it up so I have more room, and then we'll get to it. I'm doing my workout for today. So now that we are done jacking up the car, we can finally, hopefully, get to these bolts and take these ugly headlights out.
Yeah, these granny headlights gotta go.
First, oh, no, there's one more. Okay.
Okay, let's...
First headlight out, yay! Karina did this all by herself. Okay, so what you're gonna do, pull up and out. Pretty much what I just did there, but more.
Okay.
Yep. forgot about that. Yeah, I'll hold it up. Go.
Okay, update.
Update. So we have been working on this for an hour and I got one headlight done. We had to switch all the bulbs and everything over, and there's this big thing at the bottom that you had to switch over, but finally got everything transferred over, and it's looking pretty nice. I thought this was gonna be clear, but you can actually see the orange lights in there, so it's gonna be really, really cool. And I can't wait to install them, but I have to finish the other one first, and my hands are getting all chalked up from this because it's a pain in the ass, but we're gonna get it done. So hand me,
well, I got this one started for you,
and I'll finish it.
I like how you're putting all the parts onto your snotty tissues.
That's how we do it in here. They're gonna be sick. They're gonna be so sick.
You're sick.
That they're gonna be sick.
I'm sick. Headlights are sick.
Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna have to take off the wrapper because when I put it inside the fender, it might get stuck and then there might be some plastic still in there. So here's the moment of truth on how they actually look.
Ooh, wait, let me do it too.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Ooh, this is the most exciting part. So satisfying, right? Ooh,
Oh,
make sure it
don't
don't
fall
fall.
and then it'll scratch it all up.
Ooh, look at that.
Those are nice.
Whoa. Whoa, you could
real
see so clearly the reflection.
What's
What's up? Babe just doing all the hard work for me.
Alright guys, so we just finished putting both of them in, connecting all the connectors, and now we're gonna test to see if they work before I put everything back together, and then they end up not working and I'm like, bruh, I gotta take everything apart again. So, Karina, you're gonna be my tester.
Okay.
Start the car up. And just go through the sequence of the lights and we'll see if they all work. Ooh. Okay, next. Okay, other. Ooh, okay. So every light mode worked on the headlights. They look fantastic. Only problem is in the future we're gonna change out these condensate bulbs for the LED ones, like here. It kind of looks weird that there's two different ones, but it also looks kind of cool at the same time. So we'll change out those eventually, but everything else is good. So we're gonna put back the front bumper and see what it looks like when it's done. All right, Karina, there's no fan for you to hit this on, so back up slowly. Do not hit it against the wall. That'd probably be worse than a fan.
Nice and steady, boys.
And girls, don't forget about girls, Karina. This is like 2019 or something, you know?
Alright.
Can't be excluding girls nowadays. Alright, but I gotta film. So it's all up to you. You gotta put it on by yourself. Come on, put it on. You got this, Karina. You got this. Okay, I'm gonna come help you.
Okay.
So everything is done, and that is the new look of the car. They look way different. Karina, what do you think about them?
I love them.
You know what would make it look even better?
What?
If we washed it.
True.
When you first push in the clutch, that's the moment. That's when you really notice it. Just how different it feels. Unreal. Whoa, it's like having gold. Told you you'd be impressed, didn't I? No, it goes way beyond that. This blows me away. How'd you manage to get a hold of something like this? I just can't believe you got this for the 8.6. That's amazing. Yeah, me either. Haven't felt this excited in a while.
You can leave it up to me to never fail or cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking plenty blunts. Some say it's too many blunts. Go catch me out here eating lunch. Then after that, go see me hunt. Pull up S13 and pop my hood and let my trunk thump. Riding through the hood, I bump. The thump from trunk will shake you up. Pull up to the party spark. The girls see me and save a spot.
So now it's all clean and you can see the reflection in the paint.
It looks so good.
It looks so good. I'm so glad we finally got these headlights installed. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe if you guys are new on the IS300 build. And I also have this MRS build that's been going on. You can go check out my channel for that. And we might be getting an A86 soon, so stay tuned for that. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.